Awesome. Good day, everybody. Well, let's see if we can have a bit of a demo ride. Itchy nose. I hope you're all well. I'm testing out the new camera setup, which I'll be doing a video of soon. This little beauty and my rear view, and I've had to re-angle it, of course. I changed the bike. I didn't change my my camera on my helmet in relation to the angle. I'm leaning forward now, so all I was looking at was the road. I didn't get any sky, so I've had to angle the camera back a little bit just to negate the fact that I'm on a different bike. It all looked wrong. I'm leaning forward now. I wasn't not as sat up, so I didn't consider that when I changed bikes, that I'd have to change my camera angle. So I'm hoping it's working now. Hello. So here we are. Let's have a ride home. These people coming around. Lovely. Right, guys. Watch him. Is he going to stop? I'm going to make him stop. Bimble, bimble, bimble. Watch these pedestrians. These guys are not looking at me. Whack them up with the rev of the engine. Right. So yeah. Another red round the corner. Just early brake then. We've got matey behind us. Make sure he's spotted it as well. No putting racing up to it. I'll do this on every video nearly, the backing up procedure. Slow them down to your speed, rather than you sat there at 0 k's an hour and having a bloke behind you approaching at the back at 40 or 50, half asleep, and then just shunting you straight across the junction. Slow them down to your pace before you get there and just ease to a stop, and they'll hardly notice you've even done it. I hope the angle of this camera's alright on my helmet, because it's pretty much fixed. If it isn't, I'm going to have to prise the 3M off. Right, everybody's bimbling. This is Adelaide. Just keeping the obs going. Right. What's my danger? Only the fact that I've got cars behind and I've got potential for lights to change up front. I'm going to hold my middle lane at the moment, but these could very easily change because of the traffic that's going to be sat on them. We've managed it though, we're good. Sat on them pressure pads, etc. Okay. As we head out of Adelaide, that's the Adelaide Oval, famous cricket ground. We're heading up Montefiore Hill to North Adelaide, which is very posh. Just keeping an eye on the rear. There's only one car behind me now, and he's in the right hand lane. My left lane closes. Just back it off slightly. It should change to green now. Plenty of obs through the junction and we'll bimble on. Same again, red lights in the distance, just watching for any of these vehicles on the left that might want to reverse out. No clues, we're all good. Again, no point in racing up and coming to a stop, just slow it up nice and easy. We've got a green, we'll grab second and we'll bimble on. Matey in the right hand lane has now turned right, so I'm going to bimble across here. Just watch for cars coming to my right, even though it's my right of way. There's nobody around me at all now, so I can use my whole lanes if I want, but I'm not going to be going crazy through here. This is Wellington Square. It's a lovely part of town. Watching that metal grate on the bend. Nobody behind me, so I'm not too concerned. What I'm going to do here, I could lane split there, but what I'm going to do is just hang back here and keep an eye on my rear. I've got my mirrors on the old bike. I could angle the handlebars a little bit, so I could have my rear view in the peripheral vision. But these obviously are fixed. Tell you what I like about these, you can fold the buggers in like this. It's great. But they are good mirrors. Still watching the rear, I'm good. You can always do this. Just push them out a little bit. Right. Danger, danger, danger. Is this Renault coming towards me? Is he going to turn right in front of me? No, that's better. Right, back it out again. Just notice I equalised that spot there. Just going to bimble past Mr. Mitsubishi Triumph. Okay, lots of cars coming towards me. Just watch for the indicators. Make sure that there's nobody turning right in front of you. Good road positioning here is important. Just watching for everything. We've got a car to my right coming out. He's gone now. Matey without lights. It's not too dark, but when everybody else has got lights on, you get one guy that hasn't got any on. It makes him harder to see, of course. Right, I'm just equalising the space there between the cars coming towards me. Back out again. Good road position here. See the car coming towards me, just don't get too close in case he wanders. People wander, don't they? Right, here, truck on my left. I've got a lane. The temptation might be for him to change lanes, so I'm just holding back a little bit. And he's staying where he is. Nice little BM there. Proper R6, I love that model, it's great. It's a great shape, a great model that one. It's one of the earlier R6s, but they just, I like that style. It's nice with the exhaust on the side as opposed to coming out underneath the seat, says me. It's a nice model. Right, cars behind, both lanes as you can see in the mirrors, I'm sure. Other than that, not a lot of danger. I have got a red traffic light coming up in about 300 or 400 metres, and I'll be honest, I'm going to go across here. There's nobody there. I'm just going to get across before that junction, but I couldn't see the road so well because of the bus. It's gone green now, as you see. Now the bus is stopping a view of anybody coming the other way and turning right, so I'm alright now through the junction. So there's a problem with that bus in the outside lane. Anybody coming towards me, maybe wanting to turn right across me, is not going to see me. So what do I do here? Well, I could get a bit closer to him, so I'm protected from any cars coming towards me and turning right across in front of me. That's not a bad idea. I'm still in a better position there than I was back there because just general position. Matey turning right in the U. The other option was for me to get out into the outside lane, but my view was blocked by the bus. Regardless of how close I was, I'm better off here. I'm in his mirror, so so I'm not in a blind spot, and I'm in control of my zone, my area, very much. See that bit of a gap there, look at that there, there's any cars coming towards me wanting to turn right across me. I'm more protected here because I'm in the same vicinity as this bus who's now turning right. Just watching for cars there. And again, red lights coming up. I've got nothing in the right hand lane, so I'll use that. Just slowly backing up. I've got a car behind me now, truck turning right in front of me. I'm just gonna, it's that same van that was behind me before. I'm just a little Hyundai or something van, white one. I'm slowing him down to my speed, and now we'll come to a stop. I might actually get a green now, we'll see. There we go. Still a cursory glance. I'm going to stick with this this lane. I've got options to go right here or straight on. Again, watch for cars on the right hand lane changing their mind and bumping out into my lane. My right away now, just double check, and through we go. Still cars behind, and I've got one in the left hand lane and pushing the white Audi there. What I'm going to do here, I am going to go over. I've got no junctions to my left that's going to cause me any problems, and at this point now I've got my road. I'm just going to slow it up a little bit, and I've got a green, so I can start going. Again, watching for cars changing lanes, this white U or the Mazda. And we'll get up to speed. I'm in his blind spot there, so I'll just bimble past. Lovely work. Now, junction to my left, I've got a good view of it. There's nobody coming, so I'll stay in this lane. I've got a cyclist in about 500 metres, half a K in front of me, with a very, very bright light. And again, I've got options for turning right or straight on there in my journey. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to turn right. Preparing early. Cyclist that I mentioned is here, and I'm going to go right at the next junction, and nobody immediately behind me, so I can't really back anybody up and slow them down. So I've got to be aware that when I'm sat here, I'm a bit vulnerable. Should be alright though. I reckon the lights will change shortly. While you're sat here, nothing wrong with just dabbing your brakes just to attract the attention of anybody behind, and that's worked. And I've got an arrow, still check everywhere. Okay. Just noticed I moved over to the left slightly there. He was coming towards me and indicating right. I didn't know where he was turning. Bang in the middle of the road here, just to give people space a little bit to go past that bus. We'll ease over to the left and then back out. Let's have a good wide road, let's use it. Boss my space. Completely in charge of my zone here. Whatever's going on, anybody comes into my area, got control of them. Right, down the road now, I see traffic lights and standing traffic. Cars coming towards me. Car behind me is a little bit to the left hand side because he's obviously preparing to turn left further down, like as am I. But I'm not going to move over to the left until I'm happy that I'm beyond these junctions. Now I'm just easing in, and I'm going to indicate. So matey behind knows what I'm doing. He's indicating as well. He's got right up my arse, and I'm just going to get out of his way by doing that. Everybody else is going right, so that's safe. Straight to the outside lane here. Just watching for Any danger? There's none. Still not quite used to this bike. I love the engine characteristics. I just haven't quite got used to what gear to be in bimbling situations, and it's just a case of finding the best option and the smoothest option, if you like. Wouldn't ever be tempted to get up the inside of that, as much as I'd be safe to do it. You've got to respect these truckers. He's going to go straight into the left lane as well, isn't he? Because you'd expect him to. Good lad. Now I had an option here to accelerate and get in front of this one behind me, but can now. So thanks for watching this morning, if you did, or today, or whatever time of day it is, wherever you are, and whenever you watch this. We'll catch you all later. Hope you're all well. Give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, a thumbs down, or whatever you want. See you soon. Bye.